Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the treatment of boiler feed water using zeolite process. Okay, so here we are going to discuss two different types of zeolite. One is natural and another one is artificial, that is synthetic method. So this zeolite is nothing but it is hydrated sodium alumina silicate, and the general formula for zeolite is Na2O Al2O3 X SiO2 YH2. Okay. So already I have discussed, that is we have two different types of zeolite. One is natural, another one is synthetic or artificial. So this natural zeolite is nothing but it's a green sand and it is non-porous, whereas synthetic zeolite is porous and it has a jelly-like structure. And the formula here we are going to use in synthetic zeolite is Na2Ze. Okay, that is sodium zeolite. Okay, so here we are using this method to convert hard water to soft water. So this calcium and magnesium ion that present in water, it causes hardness in water. Our aim is to remove the hardness that present in water by this zeolite method. Okay, so now we are going to see the process. So I am going to discuss the process using this diagram. So this is what your zeolite method. So this is your container and it has an inlet and an outlet. Okay, so using this inlet we are going to use a hard water. Okay, you are going to pour the hard water and this hard water is passed through this zeolite bed. Okay, that is your sodium zeolite, and this sodium zeolite is going to absorb this calcium and magnesium ions, that is hardness causing substance in water. Okay, we are going to remove the hardness causing substance in water and we are going to get the water through this outlet, and that is soft water. Okay, so you can remove this zeolite bed and you can regenerate it using sodium chloride. Okay, so for regeneration purpose we are using this sodium chloride. Okay, so now we are going to see some reactions based on this process. Okay, so these are the substance: calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride. So these 6 substances that causes hardness in water. So how we are going to remove this hardness? Using this zeolite. This is the formula we are going to use, that is sodium Na2Ze. Okay, so we know that this calcium is a cation and this hydrogen HCO3 and whole to the power of 2 is an anion, followed by this sodium is a cation and zeolite is anion. We know that opposite charges attract each other. According to that concept, this zeolite is going to absorb the calcium. This calcium, we know this calcium is a hardness causing substance. So after removing this calcium, we are getting the water that contains only sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So like this, similarly, we are going to see the another equation, that is magnesium bicarbonate. Again, we are going to make a reaction with sodium zeolite. So what happens here? We know the concept. What is the concept? Opposite charges attract each other. That is the main concept. Okay. So this magnesium is a metal. Okay. It carries positive charge, and this hydrogen carbonate, that is your bicarbonate, is a negative charge. Followed by sodium is a metal. It carries a positive charge, and zeolite is negative charge. So what happens here? Opposite charges attract each other. So magnesium is going to attract zeolite. It's going to absorb this. Zeolite is going to absorb the magnesium. So what happens here? The hardness causing substance, that is your magnesium, is going to remove from the water, and you are going to convert the hard water into soft one, and the water contains only sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So similarly, these reactions have the same mechanism. Calcium sulfate reacting with sodium zeolite. This calcium is going to remove from the water, and similarly calcium from calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride, we are going to remove this calcium and magnesium that present in water. So this is how we are going to remove the hardness that present in water. Okay. Next we are going to discuss how to regenerate. Okay, the equation is here. So regeneration, for this regeneration equation already I have discussed, that is we are using sodium chloride. Okay, you can remove this bed out, that is your sodium zeolite bed out, and you can wash it using this sodium chloride. Okay, so what reaction is taking here? See here, this bed contains what? Calcium and magnesium, that is hardness causing substance. After washing with the sodium chloride, what happens? This calcium, okay, it totally replaced this what? This sodium. Here the sodium is regenerated. Okay, this calcium, we remove the calcium from zeolite, we can use this sodium again, sodium zeolite again, okay, after removing this calcium. So this is what this equation is to explain the regeneration method. Okay, so again I repeat, for magnesium, so here I am using this magnesium, that is the zeolite is going to absorb this magnesium, so I am going to wash this magnesium zeolite using this sodium chloride. What happens here? This I am going to, this magnesium is going to replace with sodium, so I am going to regenerate my zeolite bed, that is sodium zeolite. Again I can use this zeolite bed. Okay, so this is the reaction for regeneration method, and this is a most powerful method. And the main advantage of this method is it can remove nearly 90% of hardness from water. And the disadvantages it cannot remove the acidic water that present in hard water, and it cannot remove the sodium ions that present in hard water. Okay, thank you.